let's start. You will need a black square paper, a tissue paper, two earbuds, and a pen with a flat tip. You will need Fabrica acrylic colors. I use these. You can use any acrylic colors you have. You will need three colors: yellow, red, and orange. Let's start painting. To make the sun, use any large circular thing you have. I am using chalk so that you can see better. You can use a simple pencil if you can see what you're drawing. First, we will take the red color . Now I am using a pen to make bigger dots because Q-tips make smaller dots. So make one big dot in the middle. And for the sun, I'm going to fill it all with random dots. You don't need to place them very evenly. You can just do random. You can do in a pattern. It's your choice. Now I'm using a paper towel to wipe off my pen. Next, we will be using the orange color. We will also be using this with a pen because we need bigger dots. Place them randomly near the red dots, just like you did before. Now we're going to go ahead and use our yellow color. So for this, we're going to use our Q-tip because we need smaller dots. So they may appear to be white on the camera, but they're actually yellow. The names of all the colors will be mentioned in the description below, so be sure to check that. And as I said, just place them randomly among the orange and red dots. Now let's start painting in the rays of the sun. First of all, we'll need red. So we're doing big dots with red and leaving some space in between for the orange dots. Now you will need blue and white. So let's take our white and we're going to use the Q-tips to make the tip of the waves like sea foam. So the foam, if you've ever seen the sea, it's like a whitish layer of foam is on the top. So we're just making that right now. Now we're gonna take our navy blue color and do the other layer. We're gonna repeat this like white, blue until we reach the end. Now that we're done with the water, we're going to add some final touches. Take the earbud and drop some yellow, small, very tiny drops on the red and orange dots. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.